Hello world, it is me, the majestic tsunami Therian that only has 2 subscribers. So I am I'm gonna make up a word here. I am the boredest, that's my made up word. I'm the boredest person on earth right now, so guess what I'm doing? Therian sound tutorial if you are struggling how to howl and all that crap. Yeah. I am only a wolf Therian. Well, I'm also a koi wolf. I'm a koi wolf and a wolf Therian. But, I can't really help you with any other sounds, so just so you know. Sorry if your stereotype is different than me. And you don't know how to. Anyways, I'm just gonna get to the wolf noises now. Because I will never shut my face once I start blabbing about Therian stuff. Okay, so first I'm gonna do a howl. So usually you want to like cuff your hands like this. Unless you don't like that or like that. But I usually just cuff my hands like this. Oh, okay. I usually just cuff my hands like this. And like, so wolves sometimes, like, usually the males have like a lower howl, like, instead of, I am bad at this. Okay, but anyways, so if you're a male Therian, I'm gonna try how to do a male wolf howl. So it usually is deeper, so you want to like use your voice as you were going to go like, but like deep. So this is what I'm gonna try to do a male like this. That was more like my normal howl, but I'm gonna try to do a female howl now. My grandpa's laying down right now. Okay, now we're gonna do the bark. Wait, hold a second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I had to go check something. Okay, so now we're gonna do the bark. For the bark, you're gonna go like woof, but like not like that, but like something like that. So sometimes I cuff my hands when barking, like. My bark is pretty bad. Okay, I just about died. Okay, but, so that's my bark. So if you were gonna do like a growl, I usually like snarl a bit like, wait, I'm going so fast on this. Moment of truth. Okay, I'm very cringy. Okay, so the growl, if you know how to like roll your tongue like a Dutch angel dragon. I'm telephone. I'm adorable. Okay, but not like that. Not like that. Like. Kind of like breathing through your throat, like hyperventilating. And there's a whimper or a yap, kind of like a playful yap, like. So yeah. Oh, crap. I just dropped my Android. Oh crap.